Guys, today I'm going to teach you how to edit your photos in Lightroom. So I'm on Lightroom Mobile. I also have Pro. So let's just find a photo here that I want to edit. Let's see. Gotta find a cool car. Let's just do this photo. This is a pretty cool photo. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to crop it to where I kind of like the center, so like that. I would like that front headlight, but yeah, we'll move it down a little bit. That's about right. And so I want to zoom in actually. Sorry, I'm a little bit indecisive. Okay, so now we're just going to hit the select subject. Wait for it to do its thing. Okay, so now this is not what I want, so I'm just going to hit the add. I'm going to add the rest of the car. Okay, so now that I got what I want here, I'm just going to up the exposure. Actually, that's not too bad, so up the exposure. Make the photo pop a little bit. I'll bring the highlights down just a smidge. Bring the shadows up. Just gives more detail to that tire. I'm going to tweak these a little bit since we got a lot of white in the photo. I'm going to bring white up a little bit. Bring black down a little bit so they stops looking like all hazy. And then this, since it's a blue car, I'm going to pull it over here a little bit. And we got like, makes these colors pop, as you can see. And now I'm going to pull some dehaze into it. If it would let me. Now you see how that kind of sharpens it up a little bit, but it gives it some noise. We're just going to bring the noise down. It's going to let me. So now you can see that the noise decreases. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add another mask, and I'm going to get this floor dark. So we don't want this glossy floor. We want darker. Looks like it's like black or something. Now I'm going to go in here. Just going to go to profiles like I usually do. And I'm going to apply Modern 3 or Modern 7. Which one fits? Modern 7 fits for this one. So now we're going to go to noise. And we're going to go pull a little bit of noise reduction into it. Now this is a photo. Just wait. It's going to load a little bit. There you go. Here's before. There's after. Now if you don't have like Pro, don't worry. I got you covered. Because what I would do when I didn't have Pro, the photos would not look good. Honestly. So I'm going to see what I can do with just nothing Pro for y'all. Alright, now we're back here. And I'm going to edit this photo too. Okay, so we're just going to go to light. Exposure we're going to bring up a little bit. Contrast we're going to bring up a little bit. Highlights down, shadows up. Like I usually do, bring whites down a little bit, blacks down a little bit. Color. Make it a little bit warmer in there. Saturation. Now, that's pretty much all I would do, and then I would add profiles and stuff. Then we would add, like, Modern 7. Then we got that. Honestly, not a bad photo. Export that for y'all. Alright, now that's exported. I'm going to go back, and I'm actually going to show you what I can do with this photo. With masking. This is another reason why you should get Lightroom Pro. Oh my god, the difference that it makes. So you see this right now. I'm going to select subject. Wait for it to select the subject. Now, I don't want that tint. Actually, it doesn't really matter. It's going to make everything pop. And I like that, kind of. So I'm going to keep the tint in there, actually. I don't know, it just makes it, like, give the photo more character, I don't know. Oh yeah, that definitely needs some noise removal. Don't worry about that. Details. Noise reduction. And you can see, that's actually a pro feature, so you do need pro for that. But it went from that to that. Now you see, not bad, but we can make it better by cropping it. Boom. Now we're at that. Now let me upload it. So that's basically it. If y'all want anything else, like how to edit some like moving photos like these or something, then I got you. But for right now, this is the end of the video. Thanks, guys.